Hello, today we will guide you through how to book now and pay later on Expedia. To get started, open the Expedia website for your region. On the home page, use the search bar to enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of guests. Then run the search to see available places to stay. Browse the results and click a property that fits your plans. The steps are the same whether you're booking a city hotel, a beach resort, or a vacation rental. On the property page, select Choose Room to view the available room types and rates. As you scroll, pay attention to the labels and policies listed beside each option. You're looking for wording like Reserve Now, Pay Later, or Pay at Property. These indicate that you can secure the booking without being charged today. Also review the cancellation window and whether the rate is refundable. Many Pay Later options pair with free cancellation, but always check the fine print. When you find the room and rate that include Pay Later eligibility, click Reserve. This moves you toward checkout. Depending on the property and date, you may see a Pay Now or a Pay at Property toggle. If Pay Now is pre-selected, look for a link or tab that lets you switch to Pay at Property. If you don't see that option, it may mean that Pay Later isn't offered for that specific room or date. Next, proceed to the checkout page and scroll to the Traveler and Payment sections. Here, you'll confirm guest details and review the total with taxes and fees. If you're paying at the property, Expedia may still request a card to hold the reservation. This typically isn't charged today, but it may be used if you don't show up or cancel late, according to the policy shown. Some regions and properties also offer a pay over time option through a financing partner like a firm. If you see that as a payment method, select it to review installment plans. You'll be guided through a quick eligibility check and shown the repayment schedule before you confirm. Make sure you read the terms so you understand any interest or fees and your monthly due dates. Before you place the booking, take a moment to double check the guest names, dates, room type, cancellation deadline, and the currency and taxes listed. If everything looks good, confirm the reservation. You'll receive a confirmation on screen and via email with all the details you need for check-in. And that's how to book now and pay later on Expedia. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your trip.